The matte black ducktail spoiler that we have here today would be a great choice for the 2005 to 2009 Mustang owners who are looking for a super affordable spoiler that will help deliver a very aggressive look. Now, the construction will be a very durable yet lightweight ABS plastic, while the spoiler itself, as you can see, will be finished off in a matte black color. Now, installation will be a direct bolt-on here if you have a factory or aftermarket spoiler installed, as this option will reuse those holes. If not, well, then you will need to break out the drill accordingly. Either way, guys, figure a solid 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and an hour to complete from start to finish, as we'll show you later in the video. All right, so what you're looking at here is one of the most affordable spoilers in the category for your early S197, and one that also happens to be one of the most popular styles, the ducktail. Now, second to only GT500 style spoilers in terms of overall popularity, I feel the ducktail spoiler offers a slightly more aggressive look due to a little bit more angle with this particular option, the ducktail, compared to the Shelby styled counterpart. Now, as I pointed out earlier, the build is gonna be a very durable ABS plastic, but more importantly is gonna be completed in a stealthy matte black finish, which I would think is gonna flow nicely with any color staying out there, while offering a nice little contrast on all non-black cars. Now, you have to keep in mind, guys, this is essentially a $100 spoiler. So with that said, don't expect show quality paint job here, but certainly does the trick for owners who are looking to save a few bucks. Now, with that being said, the ducktail is paintable, so if you ever wanted to maybe change up the look, color match this thing down the road, that is entirely possible. Now, on the other hand, if you're not really concerned about budget as much and you're looking to get more of a factory style finish or paint job, you can find the ducktail from MMD here on the site that will be color matched to your ride for a couple of $100 more. And those spoilers are color matched in our in-house paint booth that does deliver a very, very good match right out of the box. But now we want to segue into the installation process here again, guys. If you have a spoiler installed, this really isn't going to be that hard of a job, as you will reuse those factory holes. If not, well then, again, you will need to break out the drill and drill a couple holes accordingly. But either way, to give you a better idea of just how things will go down with the ducktail at home, feel free to check out our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown right now.
Tools for this install: a ratchet or electric ratchet and a 10mm socket. What's up, guys? Today we have our 06 GT. I'm going to show you how to get your factory spoiler removed so we can get our new one placed on, and I'll show you right now. Now, on the other side of your trunk lid, there's a series of 10mm bolts. Grab your 10mm socket and get them removed. And repeat that on the other side. Now, with the bolts removed, simply give your spoiler a little tug to get it off the top of your trunk. All right, now before we place our new spoiler onto our Mustang, we do need to peel off the 3M backing on the underside of the spoiler. And now we can place our spoiler onto our trunk. And press down firmly to secure the 3M tape. And secure it with the provided hardware. Now you can use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket. And repeat that on the other side. Now that's going to wrap it up for our review and install of the ducktail rear spoiler in matte black fitting your 05 to 09 Mustang. Thanks for watching, guys, and for more videos just like this, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.